Action!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, hello friends, this is our introduction from Group 4. Let me introduce myself. My name is Shifa Azara as the moderator of this presentation today.
Okay.
Next to me is a member of Group 4, namely is...
My name is Indi Panahimawan. My name is Nahda Natasha.
My name is Muhammad Andika Pratama.
My name is Ananda Saputra.
My name is Muhammad Rio Pandi.
Okay, all friends, our presentation material for today is analytical exposition text. What is analytical exposition text?
Wait.
If you want to know more, see
See you.
our explanation.
Yeah.
Okay. The discussion will start from the definition that will be read by Rio.
Okay. See.